Okay, we're back in Panama and we're going to take two on trying to get to Point and go and do the zip line. We're going to take two on trying to do the zip line. I really want to try the zip line, shoot across between the two buildings. So let's see if we can go and try it, right? Let's see if we can get it. We just got off the plane. I put on our shorts, I'm carrying my water shoes, and we're going to try it. Let's get it. Okay, so we made it to Point and we're going to try and do the zip line. So this is our inside looks.
Fill out this waiver.
And the other way more.
Okay, your information from I all the way until email, and then your signature at the back of the page. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
When you finish, you can pay with my card.
So this is what I was looking at. We're going to do the zip line. There's a disclaimer form that we had to fill out. And this is our inside looks. So we made it inside and we're going to do the zip line now. We get to a virtual tour of the museum and views. So let's see. Let's see if I can bring up my camera since I have a cord connected to it.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. And that's the van right there.